This video will teach you how to subtract and divide numeric amounts in Excel. The worksheet contains financial information for a company for which liquidity and profitability analysis will be performed. Place your mouse pointer in cell E5 and type the equal sign, as all formulas in Excel begin with an equal sign. Immediately select cell B9. Excel uses the dash as the subtraction sign. Type the dash sign and immediately select cell B14. Press the Enter key. The amount of working capital will appear in cell E5. Place your mouse pointer in cell E5 again to display the formula in the formula bar as equals B9 minus B14. Type the equal sign in cell E7. Immediately select cell B9. Excel uses the / symbol as its division sign. Press the / sign and immediately select cell B14. Press the Enter key. This action divides total current assets of $48,600 in cell B9 by total current liabilities in cell B14, resulting in the current ratio of 2.25 or 2.25 to 1 as it is commonly expressed. Selecting cell E7 again, you will find the formula displayed in the formula bar as equals B9 divided by B14. Excel allows you to type a combination of mathematical operators into a single formula. Excel performs multiplication and division operations before performing addition and subtraction, even if these operations do not come first in the formula. You can use parentheses to flag the operations that you want Excel to perform first. Type the equal sign in cell E9. Type a left parenthesis symbol and immediately select cell B16. Type the dash sign and immediately select cell B17 to subtract the preferred dividends from the net income. Type a right parenthesis symbol. Immediately type a / symbol and select cell B18. Press the Enter key. Selecting cell E9 again, you will find the formula displayed in the formula bar as equals B16 minus B17 divided by B18. This formula calculates net income minus preferred dividends as the numerator, and then divides by the average number of common shares of stock to arrive at earnings per share.